Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 7 book. Today I will start the new chapter. Okay. The name of the chapter is The Princess and the Gypsies. Princess is the daughter of a monarch and the Gypsies is called here the traveler. As I looked out one May morning, I saw the tree tops green. I said my crown I will lay down and leave no more a queen. So in a princess was looked out one in a month of May morning, and he saw the tree tops green, means the uppermost part of a tree was green, and he said she said my crown I will lay down, means the head covering I will put down carefully, which was she was wearing in her head, and leave no more a queen, and I will not live like a queen. Then I tripped down my golden steps, and all in my silken gown, and when I stood in the open wood, I met some gypsies brown. So then she walked with quick light steps, okay, all in my silken gown. She was wearing a dress which was made up of silk. And when I stood up in the open wood, I met some gypsies brown. And when she stand up in the open wood, she met some gypsies brown, means she met some traveler. O gentle, gentle gypsies that roam the wide world through, because I hate my crown and state, oh let me come with you. So the princess is saying, O gentle, gentle traveler, you are roaming all the world, wide world. I doesn't like my crown and state. I wanted to come with you. My counselors are old and grey and sit in narrow chairs, but you can hear the birds sing clear, and your hearts are as light as theirs. My counselor means the member of council are old and grey, means they are old also and they are grey also, and they are sitting in a white chair, but you can hear the birds sing clear, but you can hear the birds and they are singing very clear, and your hearts are as light as theirs, and your heart is as light as their side, as their hearts. And if you would come along with us, then you must count the cost, for though in spring the sweet birds sing, in winter comes the frost. And if the traveler is saying to the princess, if you want to come with us, then you must count the cost. In spring the sweet birds are singing, and in winter frost is coming, okay, means covering with frost or freeze. Your ladies serve you all the day with courtesies and care. Your fine shoot feet they treat so neat, but gypsies' feet go bare. So the traveler is saying to the princess, ladies is serving you all the day with politeness and care, and your fine shoes which you are wearing in your feet, they are making so neat, but the gypsies' feet is going bare. But the traveler is not wearing any shoes in their feet. You wash in water running warm through basins all of gold. The streams where we roam have a silvery foam, but the streams are cold. So you are washing yourself in a warm water, okay, and the basins is all made up of gold. The streams where we roam have a silvery foam, means the streams where we are roaming, means a continuous flow of liquid where we are roaming have a silvery foam, means it is a silver in color, and it produces a mass of small bubbles, and the streams are cold, and it is very cold also. Since you are washing yourself in a warm water, and here the streams are very cold, and the barley bread is bitter to taste, while the sugary cakes they please. Which you will choose? Oh, which you will choose? Which you will choose of these? And the barley bread is bitter to taste, and here the barley is a tall plant like grass with long and straight hairs growing from head. Is very bitter in taste, means it has a very pungent taste, while the sugary cakes they please, means the sweet cakes they are offering you in your palace. Which you will choose? Which you will choose? Means you will choose barley bread, which is bitter in taste, or all the sugar cakes, which is sweet in taste. Which you will choose of these? Between these, which you will choose? So this Gibson is saying, the traveler is saying to the princess, for if you choose the mountain streams and barley bread to eat, your heart will be as free as the birds in the tree, but the stone will cut your feet. And if you are choosing the mountain streams okay, and the barely bread to eat, your heart will be as free as the birds in the tree. Your heart will be free as the hearts of the birds which is in the found in the tree. And but the stone will cut your feet. But the stone which is found in our path, it will cut your feet. The mud will spoil your silken gown and stain your insteps highs. The dog in the farm will wish you harm and bark as you go by. So the mud which is found in our way, it will spoil, means it will damage your silken gown, means the dress which is you are wearing, it will damage it, and stain your instep size, means discolor is something that is not easily removed. And instep size, the dog in the farm which is found in the farm will try to harm you, and they will bark when you will go with us. And though your heart grow deep and gay, and your heart grow wise and rich, the cold will make your bones to ache, and you will die in a ditch. And though your heart grows, so your heart is growing deep and gay, and light-hearted and carefree, your heart is growing. And your heart is grow wise and rich, means your heart is growing, having a knowledge and good judgment also, and it is rich also. So but the cold will make your bones to ache, but the cold will make your bones to pain, and you will die in a ditch. And you will die in a ditch. Ditch is called a narrow channel dug which is found at the side of the road, which is used to carry or which is used to hold or carry away the water, and you will die in ditch. So traveler is saying to the princess, O gentle gypsies that roam the wide world through, although I praise your wandering ways, I dare not come with you. So the princess is saying to the traveler, O gentle traveler, you are roaming wide world through, I praise your wandering ways. So she is saying, I express a warm approval. Your wandering ways means you are wandering all the ways. You are wandering, roaming all the world, means you are roaming from one place to another. I dare not come with you. I have not courage to come with you. The princess is saying to the traveler, I hung about their fingers brown, my ruby rings and chain, and with my head as heavy as lead, I turned me back again. So I hung about their fingers brown, means I hang my fingers brown, about their fingers brown, my ruby rings. So a precious stone which is in consisting of variety of color, okay, it's called ruby rings and chains, and with my head as heavy as lead, and her head was heavy as lead, okay. I turned me back again. So she turned herself back as I went up the palace steps. So as she went to the palace steps, I heard the gypsies laugh. So when she returned to the palace, she heard that the gypsies were laughing. The gypsies were laughing, means they are laughing at the princess. Means the traveler were laughing at the princess. The birds of spring so sweet did sing, my heart is broke in half. So the birds which are singing so sweet in spring season, and my heart got broken in half. My heart got broken in half, okay. Before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will read this chapter, okay. That's all.